Guys, welcome back to my channel. Trust you're good. Today we'll be working on a wall frame. Isn't it pretty? Yes. So guys, let's get started. These are the list of the things you need for this project. It's quite easy, simple and straightforward, and it takes less than 5 minutes to make, and you'll be having this hanging on your wall looking pretty. So the first thing you need to do is to open your raffia and then place the soft foam on it and cut out exactly what you need. But do not forget that you need to leave at least 2.5 inches on each side of the square. So after we've cut this out, you get your glue gun, apply glue on the sides and glue both together. But if you actually have one that is whole and the exact size of what you want, you don't need to glue this together. It's fine as it is. So once this has been done, you need to insert pressure for a while and let it stick together. Then you apply glue on the tip of the raffia fabric. So once you've done this, then you cover it up to stick onto the foam. You repeat this on the 3 other sides that it's remaining. Just take your time and be careful with the glue gun. It can be really hot and sometimes sticky. So while you are doing that, if you are new to this channel and you're still watching this, please click on the subscribe button. And if you're already a subscriber, I thank you so much. Don't forget to drop a comment, drop a like, and let me know what you think about this project. And don't forget to check out our previous posts. What I actually love about this concept is that it comes with this neutral nature kind of vibe, which I really dig a lot. So it's actually my kind of thing. So once you're through with this, you just take your time and you glue the last one. You need a rope, and then which you stick at the back. Obviously you need to stick it on the bottom. If you have a two-sided tape, you can use that at the back as well. But this is what I'm using. So then you cover that up with a piece of paper or cardboard, just for it to hang in there. Yeah. So that's done. We place that aside. The next thing you need to do is to get a thick cardboard. So we need 2 different type of cardboards for this project, a thick one and a shiny lightweight cardboard. So the brown one is actually thick and a bit heavy, while the shiny gold one is light but a bit thick, not like a regular paper and all that. Just smoothing the edges, get the exact shape and size you want. I'm actually eyeballing this. And the funny thing is that I have a ruler just beside me, but reaching out for it, it's kind of like, I don't know, I've been a little bit tired lately, stressed out and all that. So let's put that aside. So now I'll be applying glue on the gold cardboard, at the edges, the 4 edges. Then I place it at the center of the brown cardboard. I actually eyeballed this too, so I'm not going to give you no cap. So the next thing and the last process is to apply glue on the brown cardboard, and we are almost good to go. So just take your time, don't hurt yourself with the glue gun. Then apply glue at the center as well. Then place it on your ready-made frame and stick it in the middle. I also eyeballed this, so no cap. So let's just use my church mind and keep on doing this. And this is what it looks like afterwards. Boom! Tell me this is not cool. Tell me this is not dope. Tell me this doesn't look like hearts. And yes, I made this red one too with a leather fabric, to complement the game. I don't know what that thing is called, spin game or something. And I made another one there because there's actually a big hole there. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.